The Makita XML14CT1 Lawn Mower is a cordless, self-propelled machine that offers a clean and efficient grass-cutting experience with zero emissions. Equipped with a powerful motor, this lawn mower operates at 3,100 revolutions per minute, ensuring faster and more effective cutting. The lawn mower is powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, providing up to 55 minutes of runtime when using four 5-ampere-hour batteries. Its ergonomic design features a composite deck, reducing weight and making it easier to push and transport, while the self-propelled mode offers adjustable speeds for optimal control. For added convenience, a single lever allows for quick adjustment of cutting heights, and the mower includes a 2-bushel capacity grass collector with folding handles for compact storage. The Makita XML14CT1 is built to withstand tough conditions with its extreme protection technology, offering weather resistance and durability for long-lasting use.